Do I need to remove my AirPods from my iCloud account before resetting them?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important topic for all AirPods owners out there, resetting your AirPods. But the key question we will answer today is, do you need to remove your AirPods from your iCloud account before resetting them? Let's dive right in.
What does resetting your AirPods do?
Resetting your AirPods brings them back to their factory settings. This can be beneficial when you're experiencing issues like poor battery life, constant disconnections, or malfunctioning AirPods. Resetting wipes off all the settings, including the pairing with your iCloud account. So, you might be thinking, should I unpair my AirPods from iCloud before resetting them? We'll answer that in the next section.
Do I need to unpair my AirPods from iCloud before resetting them?
The answer is, number. When you reset your AirPods, they are automatically unpaired from all of your devices that are signed into iCloud with your Apple ID. There's no need to manually remove your AirPods from your iCloud account before performing a reset. However, remember that you will need to reconnect them to your device or devices after the reset process is completed.
How to reset your AirPods?
Let's now walk through the process of resetting your AirPods. 1. First, put your AirPods in their case and close the lid. Wait around 30 seconds, then open the lid. 2. Next, press and hold the button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until you see the status light flash amber. 3. Finally, when you see the status light flash white, your AirPods have been reset. In conclusion, there is no need to manually remove your AirPods from your iCloud account before resetting them. The reset process automatically handles that for you. But remember, post the reset, you'll need to reconnect your AirPods to your device or devices. We hope this guide has been helpful and will make your AirPods reset process smoother. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep enjoying your audio experience.